How to create a LinkedIn post quickly in Photoshop. Let's see. So the size of the canvas is 1200 by 628. Okay, you can see here. So to create a LinkedIn post, like what content you want. So I'll go to new fill layer and choose gradient. Okay, click OK, and here you have list of gradients. So let's say you choose black and white. Okay, but you can change it. You can change the colors to your desired one, or you can choose manually from the color palette, or you can go to library. So let's say I want to choose a bright green, and the other side I want to choose a bluish shade, and maybe pink. Not good. This is too much bright, so I'll go to some soft colors. Yeah, this is okay, or even better. And the greener one, we want a subtle color, not this much bright. Yeah, maybe you can go to picker and fine tune it as per your requirements. And in the angle, just type 125, and you can create a soft scale to make it more softer. Right now if I make this, you, you can see the line. So normally it's 100%, but you can increase the softness or scale according to you. Okay, hit OK. Now what do we need? This looks very flat, so to make it more pop and more interesting, we need a image. So here I have few abstract images, as you can see. So we can take any image which we like. Let's try this one. Okay, so just bring this image into Photoshop and drop it onto your canvas. Okay, increase the size by holding the Shift and Alt key to fill the canvas. Okay, you can do it from here also, like that, if you are comfortable with that, or you can create by these nodes. No, not like this. Let's try again. Bring your image and increase the size. Okay, and in the layer panel, bring it down below the gradient. Okay, and now click on the gradient, and you have two options. Either you can work with opacity or we want to do this fill. I want to reduce the fill a little bit, maybe to be more precise 90%. Okay, but this image is not looking that good, so let's try the other image, this one or maybe this one. Yeah, this one is good, and we click here and increase the size a little bit. Okay, and in the fill just make it 95. Alright, now maybe make it 97. Yeah, that's better. So next thing is what you wanted to show in the post. You can write some text. And we can increase the font size. Let's say let's go up to 100. Okay, and change the color to white. But this is too big in the terms of aesthetics, and we can reduce a little bit. I think 90 would be okay. And now you can just bring your company's logo if you have a one. So to bring your company's logo, you should have AI file or SVG or PNG, although AI files are better. You can place the logo, let's say. Let's make it small. Font regular, even more small. The logo is smaller. Command T on Mac. You can create a button by selecting a rectangle. Let's change the color to orange, maybe red. Red is not suitable here because it's already too bright, so orange is fine. Or maybe black will work. I think orange is fine. Yep. And you can make the corners rounded a little bit, maybe 10. That's too much, maybe 5 is okay. I'll write lawnmower button. Font could be a bit smaller. This could be regular. And that's all. So that's how you create a simple post for a LinkedIn